Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. With 2025 just around the corner, it's time to redecorate our home to welcome the new year. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to decorate your home beautifully while aligning with Feng Shui principles to attract harmony, prosperity, and good luck in the year ahead. Let's get started. Everything around us carries energy, whether it's a large piece of furniture or something as small as a pen. The colors, shapes, and materials of these items all emit energy that can influence the overall vibe and balance of our living space. And here is an exciting part. Once you understand the energy of the things around you, you can actually rearrange your furniture and decor to transform your living space into one that not only aligns with Feng Shui principles, but also feels absolutely amazing. Let me show you how to make it happen. In 2025, the annual flying stars will shift positions, bringing new energies to different areas of your home. Here is the 2025 flying star chart. Let's start with the middle sector. In 2025, the number 2 star will reside in the middle sector of your home. The number 2 star is considered a bad star in Feng Shui because it's associated with illness and can negatively impact health if not managed properly. Now, here's why this is particularly important. The middle sector is the heart of your home. With the number 2 star in this sector, its effects could ripple across your home, potentially impacting your health. The middle sector is associated with the earth element, and the number 2 star also carries strong earth energy, doubling the negative impact. To counteract this, the key is to add metal element to reduce earth. There are many ways to incorporate the metal element into your middle sector. The colors white, gold, and silver are all associated with metal element. If you already have white walls and ceilings, that's a great start. They naturally bring brightness and metal energy into your space. If part of your living room falls within the middle sector, you can enhance metal energy by incorporating white furniture to enhance the area. You can also add accents like gold frame paintings, silver candle holders, or metallic cushions in the area. These items introduce gold and silver tones, reinforcing the metal energy subtly and elegantly. In Feng Shui, the round shape is associated with the metal element. Materials like brass, copper, marble, and crystals, they're all connected to the metal element. So if your living room falls in the middle sector, you can place a round coffee table in the middle sector and add a circular decor items like circular trays or sculptures to further reinforce the metal energy. This not only counteracts the number 2 star, but also creates a sophisticated and harmonious look. In 2025, the number 3 star occupies the northwest sector. This star is also a bad star. It brings energy of conflicts, gossip, and disputes. So how do we address it? The northwest sector is associated with the metal element. The number 3 star is associated with wood. The first thing is to avoid placing plants with spiky or sharp leaves in this sector, because plants with sharp edges can intensify the argumentative energy of this star. If your home office is located in the northwest sector, placing spiky plants like cactus on your desk, it could negatively impact your work productivity and your relationships with your colleagues. To counteract the negative energy of the number 3 star, we can incorporate the fire element to reduce the wood energy. Colors associated with the fire element, such as red, orange, purple, and pink, can effectively drain the wood energy. Since northwest is associated with metal, we can create a harmonious space by combining fire and earth elements. For example, we can use warm beige, terracotta, and soft orange tones to create a harmonious balance. If the northwest sector is your living room, you can enhance the space by incorporating pops of red and purple through cushions, vases, and artwork. These elements not only add visual interest, but also serve as effective Feng Shui cues to counteract the negative energy. If northwest sector is your bedroom, you might need to take a slightly different approach. Bright red or orange tones might not be suitable because they're too stimulating for the bedroom. Instead, we can select softer shades like warm neutrals or soft coral to create a serene and tranquil atmosphere while still introducing the fire element. When it comes to materials, we can incorporate items made of plastic or synthetic materials, which represent the fire element. For earth materials, we can use ceramics, terracotta to bring grounding earth energy into the space. The shapes that's associated with the fire element is triangle, representing upward energy and growth. But I wouldn't recommend placing a triangular decor because the edges of the triangle might create harsh energy and may not be suitable, especially under the influence of the number 3 star. But what we can do is to create a visual triangle to subtly bring the fire energy into the space. Visual triangle is a design technique that involves positioning the tallest item at the center, with smaller decorative pieces placed on either side to create balance. For example, you could place a large painting with warm tones in the center to represent fire energy. On each side of the painting, add smaller items like ceramic pots and decor items to bring in earth energy. This arrangement not only draws attention to the fire element as the focal point of the room, but also helps to reduce the wood energy of the number 3 star. In 2025, the number 4 star flies to the West sector. The star represents wisdom, learning, and career advancement. The West is associated with the metal element, while the number 4 star is connected to the wood element. As water nourishes wood in the 5-element cycle, we can incorporate both water and wood elements into the space. To enhance the positive energy of the number 4 star, we can incorporate black and blue tones, which represent the water element, and green tones, which signifies the wood element. If you are a fan of cyan or aqua, these are excellent choices as well because these shades combine both blue and green tones, perfectly blending water and wood elements to create balance and harmony in the space. The materials associated with the wood element are natural materials such as timber, bamboo, rattan, cotton, and linen fabrics. There are not many materials directly linked to water. You can still represent this element with items like painted finishes in blue or black. The shapes associated with wood are long rectangular shapes symbolizing growth and strength. Water element is represented by wavy or curvy shapes symbolizing flow and adaptability. If the West sector is your study or home office, this is highly auspicious in 2025 as the number 4 star enhances learning and career opportunities. So you can place a lucky bamboo on your work desk. These plants represent the wood element, and when grown in water, we incorporate both the water element and the wood element together into the space. You can choose a rectangular desk made of timber to further enhance the wood element. Then you can decorate the workspace with black or blue accessories such as your organizers, notebooks, shelves, and pen holders. For lightings, select a lamp with wavy or curved design to subtly introduce the water element while complementing the metal energy of the West. Underneath, we can add a green or dark blue rock to create a defined study zone and incorporate both the wood and water element. If you have a chaise lounge in your study, you can also use linen cushion covers in green, blue, or cyan to bring wood and water energy to activate the number 4 wisdom star, while still keeping the space comfortable and stylish. The Northeast sector is not a very good sector in 2025 due to the presence of the number 5 star, which is associated with misfortune and instability. But don't worry, if we address the issue properly, we can mitigate its negative impacts. The Northeast sector is associated with the earth element, and the number 5 star also carries strong earth energy. Together, this amplifies the negative impacts in the space. Therefore, it's essential to add extra metal element into the space to reduce the excessive earth energy. The color of the Northeast sector should be white, silver, and gold. The shape associated with metal are round shape, and materials such as gold, silver, marble, brass, copper can be effective. If your kitchen is located in the Northeast sector, the negative energy of the number 5 star could be intensified due to the stove, which is associated with the fire element, because fire enhances earth energy, potentially increasing the negative impacts. To address this issue, here is what we can do. If you already have white kitchen cabinetry or brass tapware, that's a fantastic starting point. In 2025, you can further incorporate metal utensils such as stainless steel or brass cookware and display them in the kitchen to introduce additional metal energy. However, make sure that all knives and sharp objects must be kept safely in a drawer. On the kitchen bench, you can also place a round metal fruit bowl or circular brass sculpture as a stylish centerpiece. These items not only draw attention to the metal element, but also enhance the overall harmony and elegance of the space. 6. The number 6 star is highly auspicious, representing wealth, career success, power, and business opportunities. It's especially beneficial for people doing their own business.
In 2025, the number 6 star resides in the South Sector, a location associated with the fire element. The number 6 star, however, is linked to the metal element. To create a productive cycle, it's essential to introduce the earth element. Colors associated with the earth element include earthy tones such as beige, taupe, and sandy shades, yellows including soft and muted yellows. The square shape represents the earth element. Materials associated with the earth element are terracotta, ceramics, or clay-based items.
If your bedroom is located in the south sector, you can transform the space into a tranquil and grounded retreat while enhancing the earth element. You can start by layering the room with warm neutrals, soft beige, taupe, or sandy hues for bedding and curtains. These colors create a soothing and cozy atmosphere, perfect for relaxation while subtly amplifying the earth energy with enhanced metal. Select square-shaped nightstands to reflect the stability and grounding qualities of the earth element. Arrange furniture in a symmetrical layout to further emphasize balance and harmony in the room. To complete the look, you can also add neutral toned rocks beneath the bed. This not only grounds the space but also adds softness and warmth underfoot. For decor accents, introduce ceramic or terracotta vases, clay planters, or earth-toned accessories. These elements bring texture and an organic touch to the space while reinforcing the earth energy. Finally, you can incorporate soft, warm lighting to enhance cozy and stabilizing atmosphere. In 2025, the north sector is influenced by the number 7 star, which is associated with injuries and financial loss.
The north sector corresponds to the water element, while the number 7 star is linked to the metal element. To weaken the strength of metal and reduce its negative impact, we need to incorporate the water element in this sector. For example, use colors associated with water such as blue or black. The shapes associated with water include wavy and flowing shapes.
If your lounge area is located in the north sector, here's how you can transform the space. For soft furnishings, you can use blue cushions and curtains to infuse the water energy. Add a wavy pattern rock to enhance the calming flow. You can incorporate curved furnished pieces to reflect the fluidity of water. The southwest sector is highly auspicious in 2025 due to the influence of the number 8 star, which brings wealth, prosperity into the sector. The southwest sector belongs to the earth element, which amplifies its positive impacts. If your dining room is located in this sector, it's highly auspicious. Gathering here with family and friends frequently can naturally stimulate the positive energy of the star, promoting harmony and prosperity. You can decorate the space with warm neutral tones such as beige or sandy hues to represent the earth element, while combining accents of red, orange, or purple to bring in the fire element for added vibrancy and energy. You can place vibrant flowers in a terracotta vase as a centerpiece. This not only enhances both fire and earth element, but also adds warmth, elegance, and prosperity to your dining space. The east sector is the most auspicious sector in 2025 because number 9 star is considered the most auspicious star during period 9. This star signifies good fortune, wealth, happiness, and auspicious events, including career breakthroughs, harmonious relationships, and wealth accumulation. As the best star of period 9, the east sector holds immense potential for positive energy. Therefore, we need to decorate this sector effectively to harness the positive energy.
The east sector is associated with the wood element, and the number 9 star represents the fire element. As wood enhances fire, this is a positive relationship. So to maximize the positive energy of the number 9 star, we can use green tones to represent the wood element and various shades of red to signify fire energy. In terms of materials, we can use timber, bamboo, rattan, and cotton fabrics to amplify the natural energy of the east sector. We can also use vibrant colored decor to represent fire.
If your front door area is in the east sector in 2025, congratulations! The auspicious energy of the number 9 star can easily flow into your house through the main entry. To maximize the positive energy and create a welcoming atmosphere, you can decorate your front entry with vibrant flowers and plants, which symbolize growth, prosperity, and good fortune. If your entryway has limited space, you can hang a painting with bright colors in red or green tones to evoke the fire and wood elements, attracting auspicious chi into your home. Additionally, add a rug in red or green tones near the front door to further enhance the flow of positive energy. Alternatively, use green or red doormat to welcome the positive energy. In 2025, the number 1 star flies to the southeast sector. It's the second most auspicious star after number 9.
The number 1 star is the future star. It represents positive future prospects. The southeast sector is linked to the wood element, while the number 1 star represents water. Therefore, we need to enhance the auspicious energy of the number 1 star to amplify the positive impacts.
If the southeast sector is your bedroom, you can enhance the space by incorporating soft blue tones into the decor. Soft blues can create a calming and tranquil atmosphere and activating the positive energy of the number 1 star. But if your overall house design leans towards darker tones, you can integrate the theme by adding deep blue accents. This dark blue can also create a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere, aligning with the water element while maintaining the cohesive design of your home. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Wishing you all a prosperous and joyful 2025. See you in the next video.